all of your unsecured debt, like credit cards, personal loans, payday loans, collection accounts. It will also show a zero balance on your car. And the reason for that is you get to keep your car and keep making payments. Nobody cares about that. But you won't get credit for making that payment to your finance company. It doesn't raise your credit score anymore on that installment loan. No big deal in the grand scheme of things. You can actually raise your credit score in other ways. But what I see people using it for to their advantage is later on down the line, let's just say 6 months down the line, you say, I don't like this car anymore. It's giving me a lot of mechanical issues. I want to walk away from it. You can, post-bankruptcy, post-discharge, you can surrender that vehicle, no questions asked, and that debt was already discharged when your case got closed. And you can go out and finance a new vehicle. Do you have to make these decisions right when you file for bankruptcy? No, but it is something to think about. I just had a consultation with a client who she's not sure what to do with her car. She will keep making the payments, but it's giving her a lot of problems. And she didn't know it was going to be fairly simple to basically walk away from her car and go out and buy a new car. Plus her car was underwater majorly. It was only worth about $9,800, but her claim amount, i.e. what she owed, was $17,000. So it's just not really worth keeping that car in the grand scheme of things. Anyway, hope that helps.